A sleeping dog. A dog, black and white in color, sleeps smoothly on the courtyard, snores like a human heart, puts its legs upwards after giving a hard labor through all the day, wants to take rest. Just motionless, his tranquil body is now resourceless. Whole day long fights with others, but only for a few minutes, looks for a quiet place to sleep in one's own right, consuming food or drink, leaves the residual meal without thinking, he sleeps, only sleeps. It's possible only for him because he has none, but lives with his master, who is the giver of his existence.